Here we're having a chat with Ben from ProSpeed Precision, why buyers, people wanting parts manufactured would use the company. So Ben, first of all, tell us about the company, the machine, the tooling, the work holding, everything like that. So why buyers would use you guys?
So ProSpeed Precision, we are established for about 18 months now, run by myself and my brother, Matthew. Combined experience of 37 years in the industry.
So you're not fresh to it, 18 months, it's over 30 years experience.
That's correct, yeah. We've both had other jobs throughout our careers. We decided to go it alone 18 months ago. Purchased Haas VF4 SS machining centre.
Now it's not just a sort of standard mill, it's really high spec mill.
Yeah, this machine, we wanted something that was versatile and that could open us out to a lot of areas of the market. So we went all out with this machine. Yeah.
So if a buyer's out there, for example, someone looking for parts to be manufactured, how would this machine help them?
So we've got 12,000 RPM spindle, which helps for doing things like aluminium. We have large capacity, 1.2 metres on your X, 500 on the Y, 635 on the Z. So we can get some big lumps of material in there as well.
So big lumps or lots of lumps?
Big lumps or lots of lumps, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now the machine itself, high spec, but also you've invested in your work holding because, you know, it's a whole solution. So you got orange vice, is that right?
That's correct. We invested in 4 dual station orange vices to fill the envelope of the machine. It's a large machine, so if we get lots of small parts, to fill the envelope is key to us.
Right. Okay. And again, the orange vice, they're not cheap, but they're high quality, sort of premium vices in the market. So that's going to help produce quality, high precision work.
Yeah, I mean they're ground to within 4 microns. Very, very good construction. They're rigid, very repeatable. Buy once, buy the best, I guess, is the way we like to try and run the business.
That's absolutely the same with people who are looking to get work from yourself as well. So I think, you know, you've got a great machine, work holding, the whole solution is fantastic, but I think we should look at some of your parts. You've got a couple here. I know you can't show some because NDAs?
Yeah, we have a few customers that we have NDAs with, so unfortunately we can't showcase those components because they are nice components to show, but yeah, unfortunately we can't do that.
We might sneak some shots later when you're not watching, but no, we wouldn't do that to you, Ben. But so let's have a look at these then.
Yeah, so some of these components here, you can see we have a small aluminium bracket here. This is all machined from a solid piece of aluminium. We make hundreds of these every month, all on the orange vice. Many of these all on the table at the same time. So they're a really good bread and butter job for us.
So you're happy doing one-offs, five-offs, but you like big batch runs as well?
Absolutely, we're set up for doing things from one-offs to hundreds off. I wouldn't say into the thousands, but certainly into the hundreds off. That's our main sort of target market.
Okay, and that's aluminium. What about this steel? Is it?
Yes, this is a piece of EN8 steel. It's parts for a woodworking machine for a customer of ours. There's a few tied up bearing diameters in there, some circlip grooves. By the customer's own admission, better than the original that was in the machine to start with.
There you go. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. And then this next part goes on. Well, tell us what goes on.
So this part was it was part of a misdelivered post, shall we say. We had some misdelivered post that generated a new customer for us, a guy that deals with multi-million-pound power boats. So this is basically an engine mounting for a power boat. It's based in Belgium, and we now have quite a good relationship with that customer. So
absolutely fantastic. So let's get loads of more posts misdelivered here, I should imagine.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Absolutely. But just showcasing quality of what you're doing, because if that's going on multi-million-pound boats. Yeah,
that's right. This all goes along with the steering wheel project that we did a little while ago that was all showcased on the network as well.
Brilliant. Absolutely. So if you want to see those parts, you can see it on MTD Network where your profile is.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, so any parts like that, well, any sort of challenge really, get in contact with Ben, ProSpeed Precision in Ramsgate.